This is so nice.
There's a bar down there, swimming pool over there. You know, como in Sabo, it's a bad word.
To go and get breakfast turned into an hour-long brekkie with my brother. All things investments. We're on our way together now. We're going. Oh, Mum went too. Wow. Good morning, guys. We woke up at like 6:30. It's now 7:30. I woke up because this guy is so inconsiderate when he wakes up. You know, susu'es the bola, opens the blinds, sun comes in while I'm sleeping on my face. I mean, that sounds like a really romantic scene, but it's really not. Okay, I was getting pissed off. Like, close the freaking blinds and come and sit your ass down and be quiet. So we're about to walk over to Uelese because, I mean, we paid for this apartment and it came with a kitchen and all these other stuff, so we're probably going to use that instead of going out for breakfast. So we're going to go and get something to make breakfast, maybe some eggs or some porridge. I feel like some porridge, maybe some fruit. So yeah, Uelese just brushing his teeth at the moment. The view here is so beautiful, like so beautiful. I'm going to sit out there for like 10 minutes and get some vitamin D. How about that? Oh yeah, this is so beautiful. I wonder if anyone's in the pool. No, no one's in the pool. So nice. Can have breakfast out here. So I made sure to get the ocean view. Oh, this is so nice.
We wake up this morning, guys, and this is a beautiful view in front of us. Very nice, beautiful. And the sun is shining. There's a bar down there, swimming pool over there. This is so beautiful. I don't know what we're gonna do today, so maybe we're going to the Gold Coast or to the DreamWorld or something.
This is so nice.
Use this door. I come here.
I want to show them that wall over there. It's like a plant wall. It's like a plant wall, guys, and it's so beautiful to take photos. I'm gonna take like a few pics. Well, I'm not. I'm gonna teach this guy how to take a good photo because I will show you the photo that he took of me right now. Yeah, there's just too much space. There's just too much space around.
Take the good photos, guys. She don't like
where's the
whatever photos. If you take the photos, guys, for her, she's gonna be complaining again. But she's pretty good. Whatever angles, she's good, man. Yeah. I think it's 7 a.m. Australia, but he's still in 7 a.m.
It's 9 a.m. on Sunday.
Oh, it's Sunday. Oh, sorry, guys, it's Sunday. I forgot. I thought today is Saturday.
Oh, it opens. So it was really funny because, like, just before I was telling you guys on Instagram how much everyone was replying to me and being like, there was this story that I posted last night being like, it was 10 p.m. There was no takeaways open. I wanted to Uber some food to the hotel. Nothing open, and everyone's like, welcome to Brisbane, welcome to Queensland. That's what happens here. Everything, you know, opens late, closes early. And so, you know, I was like laughing about it, but legit, an example right here. So we're just going for a walk. Like, there's not even a cafe open. What's going on, Britain? What's going on, Britain? Yeah, the city opens late. That's what someone replied to me as well. The city opens late. So there's Gomo as well.
You know, como in Sabo, it's a bad word.
Oh, wow.
Last night. Oh.
It's like the farmer's market. That is so cool. Oh, I found some food. Yeah, boy. Not so bad after all, Brisbane.
We found some Maori bakers here. Auntie's Nella.
Uelese, where are you going? I'm in fact going to pool on. So pool up for. Thermos, I love thermos. Guys, I ended up buying a bottle from that thermo store because I spent like quite a bit of time asking him questions. I spent quite a bit of time asking him questions, and then like it would have been sad if I just walked off and been like, oh yeah, no thanks. So I ended up buying something from him, but I actually needed another bottle because my work drink bottle cracked. Why are they funny?
Nah, they're funny.
Why?
Because they say, oh, this is for the air condition.
Hey.
And this one. I say, oh, yeah. Especially if you
Oh my
have,
gosh, strawberry.
and this is, sorry, this is.
Yeah.
They say, especially if you have kids, but it looks like you don't have kids.
Okay.
Guys, we just walked in. Our one little short trip to go and get breakfast turned into an hour-long brekkie with my brother. He's staying at the same place, so we were just chatting for a bit downstairs. All things investments. And now we're about to get ready. Gonna drive over to where mum and dad are staying and see what's up with them. Yeah, oh my gosh, I haven't even done my hair. I need to do some mascara or something. This face looks so bare.
What's up, guys? It's boy Georgie.
No, when it opens, you just close it again. What we just got here, guys? No, that's 20. Eh, umayli. Sorry. I don't think this is it.
Is that say 21?
Well, she just tried to open the gate. It was a complete... Ed, quick, go on. Oh, that's 24. Can you open the garage?
Is that cool?
We'll know if it opens. Oh, yeah. Lucky. We thought we just drove 20 minutes for nothing. Where's the van? Oh, it is here. You were right. Oh, this is a nice, cute area. Wow, this is really nice. It reminds me of Animal Kingdom. This is like Animal Kingdom's kitchen. Don't you reckon, Chris? Geez, you got a messy house. Morning, Mummy. You look so beautiful.
So for Manguia.
Hey, Zaddykins. We had breakfast with Uelese.
Oh, God.
He's gone. Huh? Oh, he's gone.
Where?
He's gone to sister's son's game. How, Pizza? Yeah. No, because il est ankle on for.
You know,
Shane, wow. Yes, you are, Mom. You are. How, Pizza? Ossie, call him.
Motivation 101. Yeah.
What'd you say? No, what'd he say?
You said to yourself, this man, this person is another human like me. Then you can just go up and go with it.
Oh my gosh. Eddie, what's going on there? Is that your baby over there? Over there? Yeah. Is that your baby? Is that Soiny? Is this baby Soiny? Damn, it's looking like a weird baby. This looks like a weird baby. I mean, I'm so sorry if this is like a depiction of an actual baby. Why your face scrunch up like that?
Us too, baby.
Guys, we're on our way together now. We're going in the one big van. It's all the way at the back there. It's a big family combi. So you're going to be turning left up ahead here at this roundabout. Oh, lucky we're coming in your car because we don't have to pay toll. We're here now, y'all. We're here now. Is everyone excited? Wow, Evan, look! Evan!
Eddie, look at the ride.
Look, there's a big ride over there. It's going up and down.
Eddie, look. Eddie, can you see it?
Look, there's a big roller coaster. It looks dead as empty.
Good. Well, there's people walking in, and it's good that it's empty.
Oh.
Oh, Mom.
Guys, we're here now at DreamWorld.
Yeah.
Aussie's walked up already.
Where's Filippo?
So we just finished eating, guys. We've literally stayed at the entrance at the mouth of DreamWorld. We have not even walked around to see it all. We about to walk around because I ain't paid $100 per person for nothing, honey. Oh my god. Osi, kapula ka mauay nga na.
Okay.
That's so cute.
We got 2, 3, there we go. What a great way to start the presentation. Let's give them a big round of applause. A tiger leaning against a tree out there in the wild, digging their claws into the bark, is going to leave a visual indicator that they've been there and let other cats know just how big the dominant male or female. Very simple jump for a tiger. In fact, they can jump 6 metres without too many problems. Now, top speed for a tiger is about 55-60 kilometres an hour. They will reach that in around about 3 seconds. So it's not hard to imagine with that extra momentum them jumping twice that far. If claws are too small, there's no way they can support their weight in a tree. If you have a look over here right now, what you're seeing is a tiger climbing a tree. Now out there in the wild, it might be a bird or a monkey, maybe a leopard's left a spray hanging out of the branch of a tree. That is exactly what we would expect to see. He could have gone a whole lot higher, no problem whatsoever. Let's see if we can get them into the water. Here we go. There goes Jarvie. Oh, a little splash. How about Zakari? Is Zakari going to be able to go further than Jarvie? He is in the right position. Here comes Dan. Here comes the piece of chicken. Motivated tiger. Oh, how about that? Let's give these two a great big round of applause.
How do you feel? Oh, I can't see them. See? I didn't see his face. Guys, my parents just went on the Madagascar ride. Can't wait to see what they thought about it. Oh my gosh, Dad has tears in his eyes. What? Mom, how was it? What did Dad think? What? I saw Chris said, oh my gosh, Dad looks so scared.
You
should see my dad's face. Chris said my dad was like, after a long day, guys, we finally got home. I'm starting dinner without everyone else. Everyone's bathing their kids, doing what they do. And I'm just over here eating. This is bomb. I got the katsu Japanese chicken. Also got the pork ribs and coleslaw and chips from that rib place. This tastes like the Hanaichi chicken down in Canberra. We're still here, guys. Probably gonna end up the vlog now. Maybe we'll end it actually when we get back. But look at my little hair tie my dad gave me. He got it in one of his purchases at the DreamWorld. Let's have a staring competition. Eddie, me and you. 3, 2, 1. And the champion.
One more.
And the champion.
One more, Chrissy.
And the champion.